A QwikChange single-station machinable jaw set includes one movable jaw, one single-station fixed jaw, two fixed jaw plugs, and two locating bushing plugs. Typically, a system with one fixed jaw and one movable jaw push clamps the part. The QwikChange system, even in single-station mode, squeeze clamps the part. The slide assembly tower interface in both the movable and single-station jaw pockets squeeze the part, preventing jaw deflection and increasing part-to-part accuracy. Although the jaws work as a team to squeeze your part, each was engineered with a specific function in mind. The single-station fixed jaw locates the part. By machining the part's locating features in the single-station fixed jaw, you can be sure the part is parallel and perpendicular to the machine axes. The round and diamond locating hubs on the single-station fixed jaw locate within tenths to the locating bushings of the base, therefore saving time by eliminating the need to indicate repeat setups. Plugs in the single-station fixed jaw prevent chips from lodging in the mounting holes. Notice, while loosening the screws with the T-wrench provided, the fixed jaw lifts off the system. This is due to the ejector bushings protecting the round and diamond locating features on the single-station fixed jaw, thus easing fixture changeovers and increasing the longevity and accuracy of your setup. The movable jaw pushes the part to the fixed jaw. QwikChange designed some movement into the movable jaw in an unclamped state, giving it the ability to conform to the part while ensuring equal distribution of the clamping forces. Once the part is clamped, ensuring the slide assembly tower is engaged, the movable jaw will no longer move. This is due to the engagement of the movable jaw pocket with the tower of the slide assembly. The angle on the hook of the tower directs a portion of the clamping force down, pulling the jaw and part down and in with every part change. The movable jaw is reversible and quickly snaps on and off. This high-strength aluminum jaw set provides a blank canvas for you to design your part interface directly into the jaws. The finger grooves provide a general idea of the no-cut zone. For detailed dimensions, refer to the product information packet or CAD model. Should you need additional clamping surface, these jaws are also available in high, wide, oversized, or made-to-order jaws. Changing accessories is easy. Using the screwdriver and T-wrench to remove the fixed jaw and snap off the movable jaw or jaws. Temporarily remove the cover plate. If you are currently using a faceplate, simply unclamp the faceplate and remove it. Retrieve the cover plate. Position the slide assembly such that the back of the rear slide assembly tower aligns with the front of the rear locating bushing. Using the T-wrench, tighten the third hand screw. Ensure the handle guide and handle seal plug are in the front of the base and the rear seal plug is in the rear. Position the cover plate such that the cover plate's blind locating holes are face down and the base's rear locating holes are exposed. The rear locating holes should be exposed and the locating bushing plugs inserted in their center locating holes. Place the single-station jaw on the rear slide assembly tower. Using the T-wrench, tighten the fixed jaw screws. Hook the movable jaw, ensuring you are pushing back and down. Snap the movable jaw into place. Place the fixed jaw plugs. You are now ready to machine your jaws. Here are some simple QwikChange tips to help you design your single-station machinable jaw set. Leverage the strengths for which the jaws were designed. Design the locating features of your part in the single-station fixed jaw and the push features only in the movable jaw. For thin parts which require additional support, use a center fixed jaw. It is also possible to create locating features in this center fixed jaw as well as the single-station fixed jaw. For application ideas and suggestions on how to machine your jaws, check out our website or give us a call at 724-772-1644.